Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do weekly love reading for Capricorn Earth sign for the month of October. This is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see your messages. Capricorn, your first card for the reading. Wow, Queen of Cups. Okay, second card, the Fool. Good start. The Magician. Wow. I think you are right now in the Magician energy. And the Fool, something new is started already in your life. You started something new in your life, Capricorn, definitely. Or you want a new beginning. For some, you want new beginning with your person. You want to manifest them again in your life, or your person may be manifesting you again in their life. You both have strong emotions for each other, but it could particularly you, Capricorn, you have strong emotions for your person. Yeah, I think leap of faith. One person want to take leap of faith and they want reconciliation with their person, and they are manifesting. If it could be you, Capricorn, definitely you are manifesting the money and the love, everything. This is very good energy. So let's see some more. Capricorn. Page of Wands. 8 of Pentacles. 5 of Pentacles. Yeah, for some, those who are in separation, definitely you are manifesting your person back. It could be you or your person, Capricorn. Definitely now your person, or it could be you or your person want to work on this relationship and communication. Definitely Page of Wands, some communication. Pages means communication, and you or your person could be younger than your person. You may be younger than your person, or your person could be younger than you. And this person is very handsome and good looking. Definitely now one person want to work on this relationship. That person in past didn't put as much as effort the other person. That's why there is separation between both of you, because there is no balance. Ace of Cups. The World. 10 of Swords. Ooh, some cycles are going to be end. Yes, some rebirth is going to be happened in this connection. Some cycles are going to be end, because the World with 10 of Swords, definitely some cycles are going to be end. That could be separation cycles, whatever, karmic cycles between both of you. And Ace of Cups, definitely you person, or you lost the other person unconditionally. The love is overflowing here. This could be long distance relationship also. You may be live in one country, your person could be live in another country, or different states or different cities. There could be distance between both of you. You or your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, lot of earth energy. Let's see some more. Page of Pentacles. Yes, communication. You both will communicate. Hermit. Definitely you both will communicate. See, 10 of Wands. Definitely one person feeling very burdened in this connection. 10 of Swords with 10 of Wands. The Hermit with 10 of Wands. Definitely they are feeling overburdened. Right now they are not making any move. They are spiritually awakening. I think it could be your person, Capricorn, because you are in manifesting energy. But I think you want to work on this relationship. And I think it could be your person feeling very burdened, and your person could be Virgo also. They are isolated themselves from all. They are not talking to you. For some, there is no contact. If there is contact, there is less contact between both of you. Some communication is Page of Pentacles. Definitely communication. You will get clarity, or your person will get clarity. Let's see your person feelings, then we will get clarity who this person is. So let's see your person current feelings, Capricorn. Integration. Aloneness. Yeah, I think it could be your person hermit mode right now. They are not making any move. They are feeling very alone. Temperance, yeah, there is no patience and balance in this connection. Guilt, yeah, they are feeling very guilt. I think Eight of Swords, you person stuck right now. They are not making any move. Definitely. So let's pull. They're feeling very guilty and they are stuck. Let's pull their near future actions. If there are beyond illusion, justice, possibilities, Two of Wands, Two of Swords. They are not taking any move towards you, Capricorn, because right now they are stuck. And Two of Wands with Two of Swords. Definitely they are thinking and they are juggling between two things, between you and their career, whatever. They have to make, justice means decision. They have to make some decision regarding this connection. Maybe you both could be in third party situation. That's why they have to choose one person. I think they are feeling very guilty. They are very stuck. They are undergoing some spiritual awakening, Virgo. Yeah, possibilities, they are seeing possibilities, Two of Wands, and they are thinking about you a lot. Definitely they are thinking about you a lot, but not taking any action because they are feeling very burdened. I think the Ten of Wands with the Hermit card is your person, but you are in manifesting energy. If you want to manifest your person back, definitely it will possible because you are in manifesting energy, but your person will come towards you after some time because right now they are stuck. Capricorn, right now they are stuck. They are feeling very alone. They are thinking about you a lot but not making any decision. They have to make a decision. It's a decision time for them. So let's pull some cards from the universe regarding the connection, where it is headed by. Connection card, Seven of Cups. Lord of Reading got Seven of Cups for connection. King of Wands. Think Gemini reading, Four of Pentacles. The Hierophant. Yes, commitment issues in this connection. One person holding back their feelings. Four of Pentacles, it could be your person. Even though they are interested in this connection, they are holding back. Definitely they are holding back. They are not expressing their feelings to you. Seven of Cups. Yes, they have options. It could be you or your person. Definitely the one person who holding back their feelings, definitely they have options. They are seeing other options. That's why they don't make any choice and they don't make any decision right now. But there is attraction between both of you. King of Wands. One person in this connection could be a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sag. And Hierophant. Yes, you want commitment and I think you are very genuine in this connection, Capricorn, but your person not expressing their feelings, they are holding back their feelings. But there is attraction and a lot of passion between both of you. So you or your person could be fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sag, lot of fire energy, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. But you have strong emotions for your person. I think you have to start something new in your life. Already you start some new beginning in your life without your person. Still you have strong emotions for your person. You start something new because the Fool energy with the Magician. Definitely you are manifesting your person. Definitely they will come towards you, but right now they are stuck, Capricorn. So you have to be patient. Be yourself, work on yourself. So let's see. Energy. Yes, you are in this energy, Capricorn. Two of Cups. You love your person. Your person also loves you. But there is something is going between both of you. Your person spiritual awakening. So your person energy, let's see. Under the deck, healing. Yes. They are in healing process. Healing means King of Cups. Definitely they want to offer their cup of love to you. But right now, they want some healing. They definitely healing. After healing, they will come towards you. So right now they are undergoing some healing process. Because stuck right now, they are feeling very guilt and stuck. They are at some crossroads. They have to make decision. So they are undergoing some healing process. After this process, definitely you will manifest your person, definitely they will come towards you. So you are in, if you are in separation, if you are waiting for your person, definitely it will take time because they're holding back their feelings, Capricorn. So this is the reading for you, Capricorn. Hope it resonate to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.